Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable alerts for Spaces notifications on the X app. If you've ever missed an important space or wanted to get real-time updates when they go live, this is the perfect guide for you. By the end, you'll have everything set up so you never miss those conversations again. First, start by opening the Settings app on your phone. This is where we'll manage how notifications are delivered from different apps, including X. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you a list of every installed app on your device. From here, find and tap on X. Once you're inside the X app settings, look for the Notifications option and tap it. This area controls exactly which types of alerts you can receive and how they appear on your device. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This is where things get more specific and allows us to customize what type of notifications we'd like from X. Within the list of categories, look for Spaces and tap it. Spaces is where live audio conversations happen on X, and enabling alerts here ensures you're notified at the right time. Finally, select Alert. This will make sure you not only get notifications but also receive them in a noticeable way, instead of them being silent or easy to miss. And that's it. You've successfully enabled alert notifications for Spaces on the X app. Now, whenever a space goes live and you're included in the audience or being invited, your phone will notify you instantly. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you regularly join conversations or don't want to miss discussions from your favorite creators. With alerts turned on, you'll always stay connected without having to constantly check the app. If you found this helpful, take a moment to set it up right now and enjoy seamless updates from Spaces on X. Staying engaged has never been easier once you have your notifications working the way you want. Thanks for watching.